So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Crazy http. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple web server. So in order to do that, you'll need to import these modules from this http.server. So we'll be importing these classes to be more precisely. So after we are done typing these from http.server, import http server and then the base http request handler, what you need to do is create a class. Then let's call our class the server. Then what we'll do inside here is we'll inherit this base http request handler. Then after that we need to define a doGet method. After we've defined this doGet method, what we need to do is to check if self.path is double equals to if self.path is double equals to the /, then what we'll need to do is set this self.path equals to the / index.html. Then we need to try to catch the let me try the file to open is equal to open self.path. Then after that I want to take the second index, then I want to read it. Then after that let me say self.send response 200. Then if this try doesn't want to work, I want to accept oh my god, oh sorry, I forgot this parenthesis over here. Then I wanna accept file to open, then I wanna equals it to 44 file not found. Then I'll say self.send response 44. It's 404. Then after that I wanna say self.add headers, then self.w file.write bytes. Then I wanna input this file to open, comma UTF-8. Then press enter for some couple of times. Then let me create this variable http is equal to http server. Then create this tuple of localhost. This tuple will hold the localhost, then the port 8080, then the name of this class, which is the server. Then http I wanna serve forever. Then after we are done creating this server, we need to run it. cmd python the server, then press OK. I forgot this comma over here, then let me clear, press enter. Then let's go to our browser, then type this localhost 8080. Then let's wait. Let me start again. This page isn't working, so let me see what's going on. localhost 8080, the server, index, path, read to, file not found, FTO UTF-8. Okay, it seems like everything is good. Let me try and refresh. So it doesn't want to work. Let me say about HTML. Let me start again, see what's going on. Okay, let's wait. It seems like everything is good. Then what's the problem? Localhost didn't send any data. Okay, let me see. So this should be end headers, not header. Okay, my bad. Let me start again. Python and the server, enter. Let's go to our localhost, then refresh, then boom, we are on our index. So what we have done is, if we have our path has this /, then it will redirect us to this index.html. Let me refresh. So this is our index, then this is the content that I've returned using the HTML. Then let me go to about.html. As you can see, this is the content that is being printed from blah 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 blah. Then this index.html, it is also working. So let me show it to you. I have this about, then this index. So let me try to say index, then it is say 404 file not found. So this is our 44. Then let's go to our network, then let me try and refresh. You see our 44 has been sent, which is this one, 44 error. Then if I try to go to something else or somewhere else, actually it is say 200, then it is okay, which is this one over here. So here guys, we've created our simple web server. So this was it. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.